Coupa Expense Management App. The pros, the cons. Coupa Expense Management App is a comprehensive platform for managing business spending, approvals and compliance. Most people get this wrong if they assume it's just an expense tracker. It's a full spend management solution that covers procurement, invoices and reporting. On the pros side, Coupa automates expense capture, approval workflows and reimbursement processes. It integrates with ERP and accounting systems, provides real-time analytics and helps enforce company spending policies. Its global capabilities make it ideal for multinational organizations. Coupa also offers dashboards for finance teams to monitor budgets and identify cost-saving opportunities. On the cons side, some users find the platform complex to set up, and smaller businesses may find pricing high. Customizing workflows and reports may require training or support. In conclusion, Coupa Expense Management App is perfect for companies seeking a comprehensive solution for expenses and overall spend management. While implementation may take effort, its automation, visibility, and compliance features make it highly valuable for finance teams.